Ritu Bhari once again, Access Bar Facilitator, Chakra Facilitator, Energy Coach. Today I'm going to offer you something very interesting from the box of tools of Access Consciousness. Uh, this is called Interesting Point of View. What if the life was just an interesting point of view? Yes. How does it make it so easy and effortless? Have you realized that all of our life is heaviness because we are living others people point of view? All the projections, assumptions, decisions, conclusions which other people are putting on us, that is from the place from where we are operating. What if that place is just an interesting point of view? So one of the most interesting and the most helpful tool is to use this statement saying interesting point of view. Whenever or wherever you are getting stuck in the heaviness of this life with people projecting their points of view on you as your reality. So, what if we could change the situation by just saying this statement to us or to them in our heart or in mind? Interesting point of view. So, in saying something like interesting point of view, we are not aligning and agreeing to their point of view, and neither are we resisting and reacting. So, the fun of life, everything becomes an interesting point of view. And in this interesting point of view, life is becoming very interesting. All the more fun, all the more joy, all the more glory. So, how does it get any better than this? If everything is just an interesting point of view. Thank you and have a great day.